Let's turn this on. Let's see. It's come to life. Let's listen to the sound. Oh my goodness, the thump is so good. I mean, CB350 needs to, worry little here. Even the Javali needs to worry here. Even the Benelli Imperial needs to worry here. Sounds so good. Okay, neutral. First gear, no tachometer, so you gotta put it in your mind. Start. First gear 40. Second gear 60, 70, 80. Third gear 100. Fourth gear will easily make 120. 110. Fifth gear, I think it will do 120. So okay, I'm out of road. I was able to do 115 easily. I think 125 you can reach on high speeds. Suspension is butter smooth. So that was my quick review, guys. It's a well made bike after Meteor. The engine really works wonders here. So let me know what you feel about the bike in my comment section. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. This is Sheikh and I'm signing off. You take care of yourself. Bye.